I sold 5 prime lenses after getting the NIKKOR Z 24 to 70mm f2.8s.
Your camera bag weighs like a bowling ball collection while you're fumbling to switch lenses, missing the perfect shot again. You're watching golden moments dissolve while dust invades your sensor during that critical lens swap at f-stop panic station. Yesterday's wedding had you sweating bullets juggling 3 primes. Feel like photography gear is playing against you instead of with you? Type lens chaos if this sounds painfully familiar.
Missing decisive moments during lens changes, carrying backup bodies just to avoid swaps, watching your chiropractor smile at your heavy bag complaints. Your creative flow dies every time you stop to change glass while clients tap their watches impatiently. Imagine if one lens could handle everything from wide establishing shots to intimate portraits without compromise. The NIKKOR Z 24 to 70mm f2.8s revolutionizes professional photography with its razor-sharp constant f2.8 aperture across the entire versatile zoom range. This optical masterpiece delivers corner-to-corner sharpness that rivals prime lenses. One wedding photographer called it breathtaking, even wide open. The weather-sealed magnesium body laughs at rain, while the silent stepping motor autofocus locks instantly, never disturbing intimate moments. A travel influencer crossed 5 continents with just this lens, capturing everything from sweeping landscapes to street portraits. The customizable control ring puts exposure adjustments at your fingertips without menu diving. With nano crystal coating eliminating flare and 17 elements engineered for perfection, images emerge pristine straight from camera. Here's the secret pros discovered. The information panel lets you check settings in pitch darkness without ruining night vision.
This lens fundamentally transforms how professionals approach assignments forever. An expert photographer declared it the cornerstone of their kit, completely replacing multiple F-mount predecessors with superior performance. Even an imaging analyst called it a statement of intent that demonstrates Z-mount's tangible advantages over DSLR systems. The optical quality stuns. A commercial photographer noted clients are consistently impressed with detail that requires minimal post-processing. Advanced amateurs report the improvement isn't subtle, with one saying it's the one lens I would keep if I had to sell everything else. The minimal focus breathing makes it video perfect, while the 9-blade aperture creates bokeh that creams backgrounds like butter, according to wedding shooters. Event photographers praise the instant autofocus that locked on dancing couples in challenging light. Weight reduction of 25% from its predecessor means all-day shoots without fatigue. Which matters more, the versatile 24 to 70mm range or that constant f2.8 brightness? Share your priority below.
Professional glass at this caliber rarely stays in stock as word spreads about its game-changing capabilities. The NIKKOR Z 24 to 70mm f2.8s has already converted thousands from prime juggling to single-lens simplicity. Smart photographers are securing theirs before the next wedding season creates shortages. Click now to claim yours and discover the hidden custom function that speeds up your entire workflow. Stop missing moments while switching lenses. Capture everything with one perfect zoom today.